Hi friends, welcome to Healthy Natural Remedies. Almost every Indian household has a sacred room or wall dedicated to the god, which they call puja or prayer room. Do you know that shapes, body languages, sitting, sleeping or standing position of God's idol or photos can affect positive energy within the four walls of our home? Around the world, you will see many idols of God with numerous hand gestures and positions like standing, sitting, reclining, laying, etc. But did you know that placing idols of God in some specific positions may invite trouble in your life? In today's video, we will see that standing idols of some gods in puja room is dangerous according to Vedas and Shastras.
Apparently, standing idols of Lord Ganesha is considered a sign of bad luck and misfortune, as mentioned in Hindu Shastras. As mentioned in Hindu religious texts, the idols of Lord Ganesha must always be in the sitting position. Also, the space between Ganesha and Lakshmi must never be more than 10 inches, which other is considered inauspicious. Goddess Saraswati. It is obvious that idols of Saraswati at home brings peace, prosperity and happiness. But standing idol of Saraswati should not be kept at home as this brings bad luck in the house. The idol of Goddess Saraswati should always be in the sitting position. Idols of Lord Krishna. It is also said a standing idol of Krishna with flute should not be kept in puja room inside house. He must always be in sitting position of his infanthood. It is said it was only in childhood that Lord Krishna stayed the longest at one place. Otherwise, Chanchal Krishna in adolescent wandered out to learn world affairs. Keeping God's idol which is more than 10 inches is considered inauspicious. Also, too many idols of gods in your puja ghar are not necessary. The gods' idols in the puja room should not be damaged in any form. The puja room should not be used as storage room. Never construct or place a temple inside the bedroom of couple. Instead, dedicate a separate room or space around the house. East facing would be ideal. Never put a lock on mandir. Many of us may have a makeshift temple in our homes, and whenever we leave for long holidays, we tend to lock either the mandir or the puja room behind us. Never lock your puja or prayer places.
According to Vastu Shastra, the northeast is the perfect location to place a puja room. The east, the north and the northeast can also be taken as the directions for the placement of a puja room. Directions other than these should be avoided. God's idols should not be placed in such a way that one's face is towards another. Use copper vessels in the puja room. It is considered auspicious. That is all for today. If you like the video, please hit like button and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends. Stay healthy, stay fit. God bless you.